I would say that in Singapore setting, any cough that is more than 4 weeks, 1 month, you have to see a doctor because it can be asthma, it can be tuberculosis. These two are very common conditions beside your usual, post-infection kind of cough. I would say the triggers a lot of time is virus infection.
Virus, so like flu virus, okay.
They have a common cold, it triggers off the asthma. Then the other group will be allergens in the house, which is very common. Dust mite, dogs, cats.
All right.
Even cockroach.
Cockroach, oh, like, that's scary.
Only a small group is allergic to cats and dogs, and the only way to find out is really to do a skin test to confirm there is allergy. Dust mite allergy is relatively common in Singapore, causing sensitive nose and asthma. So everyone's house, no matter how clean is it, definitely have dust mites. So there are a few things that we always teach our patients if we discover that they have allergy to dust mite. So the blanket, the pillow, mattress cover, all have to be washed in 60 degrees because that's when the dust mite can be killed. And at least once a week, if possible. Okay. And then other than that, of course, there shouldn't be any soft toys, any fabric, sofa, carpets, even curtains in the house or in the room, because all those items can trap a lot of dust mites. Yeah, so every night when they go back to sleep, they are exposed to the allergens. So next morning they wake up, they wheeze or they have very bad running nose.
Wonderful thing I learned today is about the importance of dust mites. So dust and allergy dust mites can trigger off asthma for some people, regardless of age.
Vacuum your room, you have to make sure that you have a proper vacuum cleaner. I'm not selling you a vacuum cleaner, by the way, okay? But I think it's important to find good vacuum cleaner with filter, and then when there's a HEPA filter, don't like save money. One filter change every month, you wait until 3 years then change. I know they have some of them like water-based filter. These do help, but it's important to not just clean your pillow and blanket and stuffed toy, also the bed itself.
Okay, those people with very bad allergy nose or poorly controlled asthma, there's a need to really evaluate what is the cause, what are the triggers, so that it can be controlled not just by drugs alone, but also with modification of their lifestyle and change in their environment.
Yeah, I think that would be pretty useful so that you don't have to try to avoid everything under the sun. So asthmatic actually, can lead a normal life, right?
They should lead a normal life.
They should. It's not so much they can. They should lead a normal life. If they are, properly educated and not be superstitious and use the medicine wisely, look for the warning signs, and of course get vaccinated against flu because one of the common triggers.
I'm very impressed with Dr. Loh's presentation. I hope he'll be able to conduct more of such talk shows because it's very good education for the people of Singapore. Yes, I look forward to the next talk show. Yeah.